Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing a Brand. This is Shirley. Today we're going to be unboxing 2 pairs of boots from Vivaia. Vivaia is a sustainable, eco-friendly footwear company, and they were kind enough to send me 2 pairs of boots for me to unbox for you today. For every shoe that they make, Vivaia incorporates anywhere between 6 to 12 plastic bottles into the shoe design itself. I've heard great things about this company, and let's go ahead and dig in. The first pair of boots that we're going to unbox together is called the Melissa Perforated Heel Boots. And this is what their box looks like. Their packaging is made of 100% recycled materials. On the front, it says, "Step into conscious comfort, stylish, sustainable, Vivaia." And then on the front here, it says made from recycled materials. And then on the label of the shoe itself, it says a pair of shoes equals 6 plastic bottles. So let's go ahead and open these. I'm so excited to try them on. Okay, so it's nicely wrapped. Wow. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Look how beautiful. It matches with my outfit today perfectly too. It's like a 2-toned low heel boot. Got cream and beige colors and a really small heel. It's about maybe like 1.5 to 2 inches. And I ordered these in a size 40. I'm usually a US 9. The cool thing about these shoes is that it's not very rigid. As you can see, it's very stretchy. So it really, I think, it's gonna form to the shape of your feet. I am stepping outside of my comfort zone a little bit with these shoes. I usually normally wear just flats because I'm already very tall. I'm 5'11", but these boots just look so comfortable with the square heel at the bottom. I feel like these are gonna be really easy to walk in. I can't wait to try these on for you guys and also try on some different outfit options. The next pair that we're going to open together is called the Madeline. So this is a pair of round toe over the knee boots. On the inside, there's a card that says stylish, sustainable, step into conscious comfort. And on the back, it shows you how you can clean your shoes. So don't dry clean, don't bleach, dry in the shade, and you can actually wash it in cold water. And then it also comes with a ruler. Wonder what this is for. Interesting. Okay. Wow, look. These are gorgeous. And this is kind of like a fabric sock material instead of stiff leather. It's really, again, gonna be really form-fitting because it's just like wearing a really long sock with shoes attached to it. And for these, I also stepped outside of my comfort zone a little bit. I usually order just black and brown boots. I've never ever ordered a pair of gray boots before, so I figured might as well play around with different colors and different outfit options. So these also have a square heel if you look at the bottom of the shoe here. This heel is definitely a little bit lower than that first shoe that I showed you, so this is about an inch heel. So on their site, it says that these boots are best for 5 to 20 degrees Celsius weather, which means 41 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. They're breathable, and soft knit uppers are made from plastic bottles and ethical wool. So this is a wool and plastic bottle blend fabric that they're using. This is eco-friendly, and there's a deodorizing insole on the inside. They have anti-slip rubber outsoles, and the heel is about 1.18 inches. They actually have a version, Madeline 2.0, which is water repellent. So this is the original one, so this is not really water repellent. But these also come in brown and also black. So let's go ahead and put some outfits together. The first outfit is styled with the Melissa Perforated Heel Boots. I would consider this a slightly dressy outfit for me. The boots are paired with a matching cashmere crop top and skirt over an oversized silk blouse. The whole outfit is from Quinns, and I'll link the website below. The next outfit for the Melissa is a more relaxed look. I've paired it with an off-white turtleneck sweater and some overalls. I'm loving the color combination of the boots. It feels like a great combo to match outfits with, and the boots elevates this somewhat laid-back look. With the Madeline round toe over their knee boots, we've got a soft cashmere turtleneck dress layered with a black leather jacket. I didn't have any stockings or long socks underneath, and the boots stayed over my knees just fine. They were also a lot easier to put on than my over-the-knee leather boots since they are so giving. This last outfit is, of course, a more comfy one. I have on a long sleeve gray top with a puffer jacket over simple black leggings. Again, the boots really elevate this casual outfit as well, and was so simple to put together. I'm very happy with the colorways I chose for these boots, and will have so much versatility in choosing an outfit. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to give Vivaia a try, I do have a discount for you guys. It is Unbox10. You can use it for 10% off of your order. Now do check my description of the video down below in case the code changes and it doesn't work. I'll try to keep it updated. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. If you've tried this shoe brand yourself before and you have a favorite style, go ahead and let me know, because I feel like I definitely want to try a few different styles from this company. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!